Okay, in last video we have created project and a repository. uh, in repository integration branch also we have created here branches, all branches. We have two, main and integration branch. In last video we have deployed in local machine. Let we know is it there or not. Yeah, it is a snapshot jar file. Here we have snapshot jar file. We got it, right? We got that. Then in integration branch we are going to take an feature branch. Here branch is feature branch. From integration branch we are going to create feature branch. Feature branch name is pn-3. Create. Yes, all branches, feature branch. In feature branch we don't have anything in it right now. In source file is to sync the data, sync what we will do in Eclipse now, what we will going to change or what we are going to add. If add a file there, it might affect in source tree, and it is reflected here, and we are going to check out in source tree. Now we are going to clone. After clicking this checkout in source tree, we will get a clone option. In that, select a folder where we are going to clone. Yes, click the clone button. Okay, now we are in pn-3 feature branch. After cloning, we have to clone. After cloning we have to copy all the files except the target file. We have to copy all the files. Control A, Control C, I'm copying it in this file, this folder. Then I'm deleting this target. After this, refresh here once. Yes. Here we go. We got the stage files. Means they are in a add state or commit state. We have to add them in a stage state. These are unstaged files, so we have to stage all the files. Before that, this folder is cloned. That's why we are here to add or stage the files. I'm going to stage now. It is staged, and Maven file is going to staged. If we want to stage all the files, stage all, and all files are staged. After this, I'm going to commit. For commit, we have to write something here. Spring Boot application dev tool dependency addition, and next is what we have done, and deployed it in local machine, and then we are committing this. Here in the corner we have a commit option. I'm going to commit. Yes, it is committed. Now we are going to see it in Bitbucket. Refresh. Branches, all branches. It is still loading. I think it takes sometime. Here we already cloned the already synced with Bitbucket and cloned with this local repository. Then after this, we are going to add some more files. Control A. I'm going to delete this target file. After this, refresh. One by one we are going to stage the these are all these unstaged files, and these are staged files, I'm going to stage all the files. If I want to stage all the files, stage all, click stage all and do commit. Here in the corner we have commit option, commit button. I'm going to click that. All the files are committed. Now it is one way to push. After committing, I'm going to push. I'm going to push this in feature. Branch. Let's see if it get affected in Bitbucket. Yes. Okay. Refresh. Yes. We got the new commit, right? Click on the commit. And here we go, what we have committed and what we are going, what we have made changes, all in one. We will get all the information here. Next, if in Eclipse I'm going to close this, project. Next I'm going to import Maven project, browse, I'm going to name a template as prime num we got this project again. Then in this I'm going to make some changes here, or I'm going to add one new method as public fact right. I'm going to print this. Here I made a change. Okay. After this, come to source code, refresh. We got a change here. Click on that. Here we got to know what we have made changes. We come to know what we have made changes, and I'm going to stage it, and I'm going to commit this. Added new method. I'm going to commit this. And I'm going to push this. If you have added space in Eclipse, means it's going to affect in this cloud also. The space is also a new change. It's going to affect. Then come here in Bitbucket, refresh. Click on commits. Yes, added new method. This is our new commit. Yes, we got to know. Then I'm going to delete this method again. Okay, I'm going to save this. After saving, come to source code, refresh. Here it is showing that you have deleted this part. Do you want to stage or add, or do you want to commit? That we have to decide that. If we want to stage or commit or push that, then we can stage it, or else we can right click, discard the files. Then you are going to get the data in your application, right? That's it. Thank you.